Welcome to 6 in the series of videos on area and perimeter of plane figures. In this video we're going to look into circles. So there's something one of the most interesting properties of circle is the fact that your radius divided by your perimeter, which is your circumference. So your circumference divided by your diameter is a constant for any circle, right? So it could be a circle like this, or it could be a circle like this, or it could be a circle like this, right? So that's unique about the circle, that your if this is your radius, the diameter would be the whole length, right? So it'd be 2 times the radius. So this would be your diameter, right? That's 2 times radius. So this is an interesting property of circle. So you can and this constant is given by pi, and for all circles the circumference by diameter is equal to pi, or in other words, the circumference is pi times diameter, or in other words it's pi times 2r. So circumference is 2 pi r, and that comes from the property of circle. Now coming to the area of circle, for this you can break up the circle into many small pieces. Let's say you break them up into all equal pieces. You have broken up into the yellow piece and the blue piece. Now taking just the yellow piece and the blue piece, you can fit them up like as shown in this figure. So you can have the blue piece like this, and your yellow piece like that. And this forms approximately a rectangle of side r, and then you have two of this, 1 and 2 of this, they form one rectangle, right? So half of the circumference, which is pi r, because this is other pi r, so if you add up this pi r and this pi r, you will get for the whole circle 2 pi r. So that's why you have one length pi r and the other pi r, because you have kind of joined them like that. So this forms one big rectangle. As you break up these sectors into much smaller pieces, that gets more and more approximately closer to a rectangle. So your area is given by pi r into r, that is pi r squared. The value of pi is given by either 22 by 7, which is 3.14. Let's do a few problems with circles. So here are 2 problems. So the first one says the area of circle is equal to circumference, find its area. So let's visualize it. So here is your circle, and this is your radius. The area is given by pi r squared, and your circumference is given by 2 pi r. So they say that both are equal, so 2 pi r is pi r squared, or in other words you can cancel these and cancel r and r, so or you get r as 2 units. We don't know whether it's centimeters or meters. The questioner is asking find its area. So your area would be pi r squared, so that is 3.14 into 4 squared, that's 12.56 units square, or you can write it as square unit. So that's also fine, but it's very important to write your units for any question. So let's look at the second problem. Try to pause the video here, try to visualize the problem by drawing the pictorial representation for this problem. So in this problem you have been given two concentric circles. The inner one is, let's say, circle 1 is of radius small r. The outer one is of radius big R. It's been given that your r minus r is 14, and the area of the track, which is the area of outer circle minus area of inner circle, is 1144 meters squared, right? So the area of outer circle would be pi into big R squared minus area of the inner circle would be pi into small r squared, and that is 1144. So let's take pi out, and you have r squared minus r squared is 1144. So this is your first equation, this is your second equation. So I urge you to pause the video here and try to solve these equation 1 and 2 and find big R and small r. Pause the video here. So you can open up r squared minus r squared as r plus r into r minus r. So that would be your r minus r would be 14. So pi is 22 by 7 into r plus r into 14 would be 1144, or your r plus r would be equal to 1144. You can cancel this, divided by 44. It'll get cancelled, and that'll be 26. So you have third equation now. So you can solve this equation by trying to solve this simultaneous equation. So you have one equation which says r minus r is 14, and the second one which says r plus r equal to 26. So you can add them up and say 2r would be 40, or r is 20 centimeters, and small r is 6 centimeters. So you can substitute in this, big R is 20, and then you get small r is 6 centimeters. So that'll be your answer. So the diameter of both the circles, the questioner is asking find the diameter of two circles. So dia of circle 1 is 2 times small r, that's 12 centimeters. Dia of circle 2 is 2 times big R, that is 40 centimeters. So that's how you that's the answer. So I hope you are comfortable doing problems on circle, and I wish you good luck and have fun. See you then. Bye.